Hi, I'm Christina from Dessert for Two. When I started my blog 7 years ago, it was because I missed my mom's cooking. I was living far away from home and wanted her famous Sunday desserts, but in a smaller portion just for me. Then I met my husband, and I shared Desserts for Two with him for a long time. Now we have our beautiful daughter, and she loves Desserts for Two. I love to make these little chocolate cakes and ramekins with her. They're perfect for little fingers. Camille's favorite part is the sprinkles on top. To make these mini chocolate cakes, first spray 2 6-ounce ramekins very well with cooking spray. Place each ramekin on the mini baking sheet. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. In a small bowl, whisk together the sugar, flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and a little pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together the egg yolk, milk, oil, vanilla, and coffee. If you're making these with a toddler, you might want to use water. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and stir gently to combine. Divide the mixture evenly between the 2 ramekins. Bake for 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. While the cakes cool, whisk together the frosting ingredients. Add the powdered sugar, cocoa powder, and a splash of milk or coffee until it comes together into a thin, pourable consistency. Don't forget the sprinkles. I love making these cakes with Camille because it's a fun way to share my mom's recipes with her. For full recipe instructions, head to dessertfor2.com.